Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Ashwin Bhagat, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use the generative fill feature in the Adobe Photoshop. So let's just launch the Photoshop. And yeah, if you don't know how to install the Adobe Photoshop beta in your Mac or PC, I just created a video yesterday, so you can watch that video. You can watch that video from the description, or the card will show up on the right corner. So here is a Photoshop beta. Okay, I already have an image, so I'll just open that image. Let's just say this image. Actually, these are all the images I downloaded from Unsplash, so let's just use this image. For using the Photoshop, first of all, you have to, if you are not able to see this bar, then you just need to go to the window section and scroll down to the bottom and just enable contextual taskbar. Okay, so now what you need to do is just select an area. I'll select this one and just click on generative fill and just type in a prompt. I'll type vote. Just click on generate. Just wait for it. It will take like 5 to 10 seconds and it will create a good result. Okay, so yeah, here we got a result. So this is the first one, this is the second one, and this is the third one. I like this third one. And have a look how it just created the reflection as well, and the wrap the water around it. So, and if you don't like the result, or you're not satisfied with the result, then you can just click on generate again and it will just generate 3 more variations. So now let's just see another feature of the generative fill. So let's just use a crop tool and just expand the image like a little bit more. Okay, so now just apply it and just select this area. Also give the AI just a little bit room, like I am selecting this much area as well to understand the image. So let's just click on generative fill and just leave the prompt blank and just click on generate. And as you can see, it did a great job. Not great, it did an amazing job. As you can see, it just merged the water and just created this texture as well. Okay, so now we got a second image. Let's just try adding something, like just select this area and no, let's just select this area and maybe and tell it like add a mountain. Let's click on generate. Let's wait for it. And as you guys can see, it did a great job, like adding the same mountain. And we can see the next results, maybe like this, like this. Okay, so it was like this before and it did it like this. So I like this one. So this is the before and this is the after. And we can maybe just select sky and just tell it to like add clouds. Okay, so now we got a result. We just move this bar down and these are some results. Okay, so I guess this second and third one looks good. I like the second one. Okay, so this is how the Photoshop generative AI fill works. And if you have any questions regarding this, just feel free to comment. Just ask your questions in the comment section and I'll get back to you with the new video on the Photoshop. Also, if you don't know how to install the Photoshop, as I told you earlier, the link is in the description and also the card will show up here. Okay, so bye bye.